When can a limit be infinity or negative infinity? We'll examine the limit as x approaches 0 of 1 over x to the n, where n is a positive integer. The first thing that must be made clear is whether we are on the real numbers or the extended reals. The extended reals include the idea of infinity and negative infinity. In other words, places where there is no bound to the number in the positive or negative sense. If we are restricted to only real numbers, the limit does not exist, no matter what n is. If we are on the extended reals, when a function increases in magnitude with no bound, it approaches either infinity or negative infinity. For a limit to exist, the limit from the left and the limit from the right must be the same, and they will be the same as the limit. Case 1. N is an odd integer. The limit as x approaches 0 from the left of 1 over n when n is odd is negative infinity, and as it approaches x, 1 over n when x approaches 0 from the right is positive infinity. You can graph 1 over x and see that one side of the graph dives down to negative infinity and the other side comes in from positive infinity. So when n is odd, the limit as x approaches 0 of 1 over x to the n does not exist, since the limit from the left is not equal to the limit from the right. Case 2, n is an even integer. In this case, the limit as x approaches 0 from the left of 1 over x to the n is positive infinity, and the limit as x approaches 0 from the right of 1 over x to the n is also positive infinity. So when x is even, the limit as x approaches 0 of 1 over x to the n is infinity, since the limit from the left is equal to the limit from the right, and both one-sided limits are infinity. The limit is equal to the limit from the left and the limit from the right in the cases where they are